Namaste. Do you ever feel like in the morning you're just so stiff, you need to go straight to work, you don't have the time to go to the gym and open yourself up? No more excuses. Here's a very quick, short routine you can do literally by the side of your bed as soon as you wake up. Just get your body activated, completely open up so that you can really continue your day on in a really beautiful and light and productive way. So let's get started. Starting off with a little bit of an Adho Mukha Svanasana. So you're going to take your bed, hands on the bed, and try to glide your body into a beautiful 90-degree. Feet are parallel here. Keep the knees straight and try to drop the chest as though you want to meet Mother Earth. And breathe here for 10 counts together. 1, 2, 3. Feel the stretch in the back of your knees and the shoulders. 4, 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, glide your way into upward facing dog. So just coming into a baby back bend here. Let's do it dynamically 10 times. Back to down dog. Coming into up dog. Lovely. That's 1. Keep going, just activating your whole body, waking it up. 2. Nice and steady with the breath. Inhale up, exhale. Lovely. 3. Feel the stretch. Going back. 4. Good. Don't give up. We're just energizing your body. It's like a coffee in the morning for your body. 5. Good. Relax the shoulders. 6. Good. Breathe. 7. You got this. 8. Last 2. 9. Last 1. And 10. Good job. Come back and release for a moment. Lovely. Take a moment here. Breathe. Check in. How am I feeling? What am I feeling? Can I just shake my legs, shake my hands, let all of that stagnant energy just go? And then getting ready for the breath of joy, the best breath you can do as you wake up in the morning. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna inhale, inhale, inhale. So it's 3 inhales. So front, side, up. Now when you exhale, you're gonna do a ha sound and bend the knees, bring the hands down. So like this, ha. So in, ha, in, ha, in, ha. 3 more, in, ha, in, ha, in, ha. Relax. Well done. This is called the breath of joy. Really good to activate your entire system. Good. From here, just working slightly on your hamstrings. The right foot coming to the front, left foot is back. And all I'm going to ask you to do, gentle stretch for your hamstrings here. And just the elbows on the bed. Your back should be nice and straight. You're going to feel an amazing stretch here for the hamstrings, back of the knees. Don't bend the knees. That defies the purpose. Breathe. Breath is the heart of yoga. 5 more counts. 5. Straight back. 4, 3, 2. This is pyramid pose. And 1. Release. Switch sides. Just change the side of the leg. Feel an amazing stretch here. hamstrings. For 1, 2, breathe. Are you breathing? 3, lovely. 4, and 5. Good job. Nice and steady. Come back. From here, what I'm going to ask you to do, place the right knee on the bed. I'm trying to basically open up your entire body through a very short sequence. So we're going to do the pigeon on your bed. So the back leg is nice and back. Extend it as much as you can. Push the bed away from you. And breathe here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, breathe. 8, 9, and 10. Release. Switch sides. Nice and comfortable. And glide back. Lovely. Push with your hands further back. Hold here. 10, 9, breathe. 8, good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Nice and gentle. One more time. Downward facing dog. Hands on the bed. Now from here, I'm going to invite you to bring your right hand to touch the left ankle and twist to the side. Breathe here. Beautiful twist for your spine. This is really, really good for your spine, your back. 2, good. 3, breathe. 4, 5, don't give up. 6, as much as you can. 7, listen to your body. 8, 9, and 10. Lovely. Nice and steady. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back up and release the posture. All right, we've got one last stretch to go. You're doing such a good job. We're just gonna place the ankle or the heel on the bed, and you're going to just allow the foot to be flexed towards you. So the foot is not sleeping, it is flexed towards you. Hamstring, the leg is nice and straight. Hands on the bed. Now if here, you should already be feeling slightly a pull here in the hamstrings. So if you're comfortable here, absolutely fine, stay here. If you're okay, lift the chest once up and exhale. Touch the forehead to the knee like this. Breathe here, 10 counts. Hold wherever you can. I'm going to count for you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got this. And 10. Release. This would have been a really nice stretch for the hamstrings in the morning especially. All right, let's switch sides. Try to give it your all. Last stretch here, then you're ready to go for the day. Good job. Breathe. I'm going to count here for you. 10, 9, 8, good. 7, 6, 5, feel the stretch. 4, 3, good. 2, and 1. Lovely. Inhale up. Exhale. Before we log out of the session, let's just take a moment to bring all the energy back, all of the gratitude, the love for the day. So as you inhale, hands up. I invite all the blessings within my life, hands down to your heart. I invite, second one, all of the love within my heart today, and hands down to the heart center. Last one, I give all of my love, everything, all the kindness within my heart today, no matter what happens, it's going to be part of me. Within my heart, I'm here to share this love in this whole universe. Exhale, fold down. And bow down to Mother Earth. Thank her for this beautiful practice. And inhale. Have a nice day and all the best. I hope you feel nice, refreshed, good to go. Namaste.